Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how far it really goes? How big is this universe that holds everything? Us, our planet, the stars, the galaxies, and everything beyond. Today, let's take a mind-bending journey to understand the unimaginable size of our universe. And trust me, by the end, you might never look at the night sky the same way again. Let's start small. With us. Earth is about 12,742 kilometers in diameter. Big for us, tiny in the cosmic sense. If you flew around the Earth's equator, you'd travel about 40,000 kilometers. And yet, light, the fastest thing in the universe, can circle our planet 7.5 times in just 1 second. Now imagine this. The moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. Sounds far. Light covers that distance in just 1.3 seconds. It takes us about 3 days by spacecraft. That's our cosmic backyard. Next stop, the Sun. It's about 150 million kilometers from Earth. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us from there. So technically, when you look at the Sun, never directly though, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. And beyond the Sun? Our solar system stretches far and wide. The furthest known planet, Neptune, is 4.5 billion kilometers away. Light takes about 4 hours to reach there. And still, our solar system is a mere speck in space. The nearest star system to us is Alpha Centauri. It's about 4.37 light years away. What's a light year? It's the distance light travels in 1 year, nearly 9.46 trillion kilometers. So even if we sent our fastest spacecraft today, it would take tens of thousands of years to reach the nearest star. And our Milky Way? It's a sprawling galaxy about 100,000 light years wide, containing an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 100,000 years to cross it. Imagine that. And beyond our Milky Way, there are more galaxies, a lot more. The closest major one is Andromeda, about 2.5 million light years away. It's moving toward us and will collide with our Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years. The observable universe, the part we can see, contains an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy, like the Milky Way, holds billions, even trillions of stars. Now here's where it gets mind-bending. The farthest thing we've seen is the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. It's about 13.8 billion light years away in all directions. But because the universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, those points are now about 46.5 billion light years away from us in every direction. That makes the observable universe about 93 billion light years across. Pause for effect. Yes, 93 billion light years. And that's just what we can see. What lies beyond? Nobody knows for sure. Some scientists think the universe could be infinite. Others believe it might loop back on itself. Or maybe it's just so vast that our tools will never reach its edge. Now you might ask, why should I care about this? Because it reminds us of something beautiful. We are tiny, yes. A tiny planet orbiting an ordinary star in one of billions of galaxies. But in this vast ancient universe, we are also special. We are the only known creatures to look up at the sky and wonder about our place in it. To build telescopes, write theories, ask questions. The size of the universe humbles us and inspires us. It reminds us to cherish our home planet, to treat each other with kindness, because in the grand scale of things, we are fellow travelers on this tiny blue dot. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing tiny lights. You're witnessing the vast history and mystery of a universe too big to fully grasp, and yet one we're part of. Soft fade out. Stay curious, stay humble, subscribe for more fascinating journeys.